So an 11-stroke roll, quite simply, following the same formula that we follow for the 5-stroke roll, the 7-stroke roll and the 9-stroke roll, is going to be 10 double strokes and 1 single stroke. So if we start with the right hand, we would have right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. And if we start with the left hand, we'd have left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Or you could do the single stroke first and then do the 10 double strokes afterwards. That's entirely up to you. Now let's apply this as a simple time fill. So I'm going to play this fill in 16th notes, okay? So I'm going to play, first of all, my rhythm will be 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and 4. And beat 4 I'm not going to play, that's going to be my rest. And then I'm going to take the same rhythm and displace it across the bar. And this is where your creativity comes into play here, because, you know, playing just this one pattern in that one starting point on beat 1 of your bar is quite limiting. The minute you start displacing this across the bar, you can create, you know, loads more combinations and create more interest. And I'm also going to vary the orchestration. Check it out.